Hi, I'm Curtis with the Fun Times Guide. This video will be about springtime maintenance that needs to be taken care of every year so that your rig is ready to go for the summer season. Just like in the fall, the first thing to inspect is the roof and everything that is on the roof. Many times snow and ice will cause your sealant to lose its grip and allow water to migrate into the RV. Also, if you are living in the northern states where you have to shovel the snow off, there is always a chance that a shovel may have nicked the rubber membrane. Be sure to check the tire pressure on all tires. If you have a tow vehicle or a motorhome with dual tires, be sure you check the tire pressure on the inside tire as well as the outside tire. And it's a good idea to make sure that your spare tire is up to full pressure as well. Check the water level on all batteries, house batteries and coach batteries as well. Because I have a sizable solar system, you can see I have 5 deep cycle batteries in my battery bank, and you must maintain a water level that is well above the lead plates within the batteries. Once you slip up and let the water level get below the plates, you have caused permanent damage to your batteries. If you are in the southwest where water evaporates quickly, it is good to check your battery levels at least once a month. Inside your RV, inspect all roof areas along the edge, especially for any sign of water leakage. This will usually leave a brownish stain on the roof panels if any water has come through. Be sure you check inside your cupboards because most likely the edge of the ceiling will be hidden inside a cupboard. So a good inspection is mandatory to catch a leak in its early stages. And the last item on my checklist is sanitize the water system. You can use regular household bleach to sanitize your water system by pouring 1 cup of bleach into the water fill port on the outside of the trailer. Do this when the water tank is empty, and then fill the tank up with water and let it sit overnight to purify the water system. Be sure to run the bleach water through all the faucets so that everything gets coated with bleach. The next day, drain your water tank and then refill it with fresh water and pump that through the system and continue to add. Once you've emptied the tank that way, you will probably have to refill the tank 2 or 3 times to get to the point where you do no longer smell bleach. When you no longer smell bleach, your water system is safe. Because every RV is different, I may have overlooked an item or two specific to your type of RV, but this gives you a general idea of the types of things you need to check over before you get ready to make plans for your first outing in the spring. I hope you have found this video helpful, and we will see you next time.